look how I would build a department. So the first thing to think of is, if this is my whole organization and I have leads or something coming in on this side and something coming out on that side, we have a final product, a completed product that we can sell and get reimbursed for. Now this product is broken down into sub-products, but not in the sense of, if you're building a table legs, in the sense of public relations, for example, should generate leads, and leads would be a sub-product of your whole organization. So too, sales would have a sub-product of a completed purchase order or a signed purchase order, because the sale is in the bank. And so we move through this organization. So when I look at building a department, I will take one of these sections and I create the following. I create an SOP, or a standard operating procedure, which is just a manual. How did this guy create sales successfully? Then I put someone in charge, either a salesperson or a salesperson manager. And then finally, and very importantly, I create a training program that on a weekly basis teaches my staff to either train themselves on my own policies and or to become better salespeople.